everyone, this is Ankita Mallick and I'm back again on my channel with this beautiful soft romantic makeup look. So to know how I did it, please continue watching. I'm starting off with a clean face. So I have straightened my hairs and this is how it looks after 1 hour, even after using hairsprays. So please ignore it. Now I'm taking the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Moisturizing Cream and gently massaging it into my skin. Most people generally skip this step of prepping the skin before the makeup, but always make sure you apply a good amount of moisturizing cream in order to get a smooth, flawless makeup finish. Next, I'm taking the Nykaa Skin Potion Glow Boosting Facial Oil to add some extra hydration on my skin, as the makeup products I'm going to use are all matte products, so I need to make sure my skin is well moisturized for my makeup to blend in smoothly on my skin and also keeps my skin hydrated underneath the makeup. And lastly, for my lips, I'm applying the Nivea Essential Lip Balm. Now moving on, for primer, I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer and I'm focusing it around my nose and my cheeks and also on the forehead and my chin and gently blending in the product. This primer has a velvet finish. It mattifies your skin and also covers up your pores and obviously helps your makeup last long. So always make sure you apply primer before the foundation. Now for the foundation, I am taking the Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation in shade number 128 Warm Nude and also in the shade 330 Toffee, and mixing both the shades, I am applying it all over my face using a damp beauty sponge. I am gently tapping the sponge all over my face, taking my time so that the foundation looks well blended into my skin. And I'm not taking any extra foundation but just using the sponge and dabbing it on my forehead. Now for the concealer, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in shade Medium Beige. And since I'm gonna be doing my eye makeup first, so I'm applying the concealer on my eyelid to cover up the darkness and make a perfect base for the eyeshadows. Now using the pointy side of the same damp beauty sponge, I'm blending all the concealer I have applied on my eyelid. Now I am taking the Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade Light Medium and setting my eyelid quickly before the product settles into the crease lines. Now I am taking the Incolor Cosmetics Delicate Eyebrow Palette in shade number 02 and quickly doing my brows. Next, for the eye makeup, I'm taking the Maybelline New York Lemonade Craze eyeshadow palette and I'm picking up this shade and using an angled blending brush, I'm blending the shadow all over my eyelid as a base color for the eye look. I'm making sure all the shadow is well diffused all over my eyelid. Next, I am taking the Nicka K9 color eyeshadow palette in Birthday Cake and picking up this orange shade and this shade from the Lemonade Craze palette. Mixing both the shade, I am blending it all around the crease. Next, I'm taking this shimmer shade and using my finger, I'm blending in the shade all over my eyelid. I wanted the eyes to have a very soft romantic look with a little touch of shine to it, so I'm making sure the shimmer shade doesn't pop out a lot. Now I'm taking a blending brush and running it around the edges so that all the shades look well diffused around the corners. Now I'm taking the Swiss Beauty concealer again for my under eyes. So I'm applying the concealer around the inner corner and around the outer corner like this, so that it adds a lift to the eyes, and a little bit on the cheeks. Now again I'm using the pointy side of the same damp beauty sponge and blending in the concealer. I'm also applying the concealer on the center of my face to highlight the center of my face. And again using the same sponge to gently blend all in. Now to set all the concealer that I have applied, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder again, and using another damp beauty sponge, I'm gently pressing the powder on the particular areas where I have applied the concealer. Now I'm taking this shade again, and with a pencil brush I'm gently blending in the shade around the outer corner of my lower lash line and flicking it out around the outer corner. I'm taking the Rimmel London Waterproof Eye Definer in shade 213 in the nude and applying it on my waterline. I'm taking the Maybelline New York the Colossal Kajal and applying it just around the outer corner of my waterline. And also on the outer corner of my upper waterline, it kind of adds a little depth and gives that false volume to your lashes. Now I'm taking the Sugar Mini Bronzer in shade number 02 to contour my face. For the blush, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Blusher Reloaded in shade Peaches and Cream and applying it on the apples of my cheeks, taking it all the way up and also on my nose. For the highlighter, I'm taking the Maybelline New York Master Chrome Illuminating Metallic Highlighter in shade Molten Gold and I'm applying it on the high points of my face, on the inner corner of my eyes, and on the brow bone, and also on the bridge of my nose. Now for the lips, I am taking the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner in shade Bare to Comment, but before that I am taking a tissue paper and wiping off the lip balm that I had applied. And then using the lip liner to overline my lips. And I'm also slightly filling it in. Next, I'm taking the Nykaa So Creamy Matte Lipstick in shade Let It Snooze, and I just wanted a touch of this shade, hence I'm just gently dabbing the lipstick on my lips so that it doesn't look very intense. Now I'm taking the Nykaa Gloss It Up High Shine Lip Gloss in shade number 01 Honey Boo and applying it on the center of my lips. I did my hairs off camera and I forgot to apply mascara, so for that I'm taking the Maybelline New York the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara and I focused mostly around the outer corner again. I wanted to add some falsies at first, but then I thought to keep it very simple. Now to lock in the entire makeup in its place, I'm taking the makeup setting spray. This is the Wet n Wild Natural Finish makeup setting spray, and what I did is I sprayed it on the damp beauty sponge and then I am dabbing the sponge all over my face, mostly focusing on the center of my face. And this is the final look. I really hope you loved watching this makeup look tutorial and also loved this soft romantic makeup look, perfect for the evenings. I wasn't sure about the glossy lips, but it turned out to be perfect and I'm glad the hairs looks good as well. And so that was it for today. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and also thank you so much for watching this video. I love you and I will see you in my next. Bye.